is because I know that you're gonna watch this video series and I know you're gonna enjoy it, whether you love it or hate it. You're gonna tell your friends that I snuck around and I bought this thing from you. And that's all I'm out here to do. I don't know why. I'm gonna have fun with it. Maybe I'll even build it and give it back to you. I don't freaking know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing, but you ticked me off. You can't tick me off because guess what? I will get what I want. The things I have to do. All right, so I unhooked my trailer over here at Carnes. Sean's gonna back up and hook up, and he's gonna go get this thing for me because I gotta be petty, I guess. They won't sell it to me, but I'm gonna own this thing. All right, as always, Bobby RF Racing, definitely check him out. He's going to attempt a hill here. This is the first time since we fixed his four-wheel drive, so fixed, yeah.
It's broken already.
Fixed, yeah. But go ahead, buddy. Oh, easy peasy. It was definitely a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. See, and he was nervous that it wasn't fixed.
That worked pretty good.
That was really easy.
Something, we must have done something right.
Something definitely worked.
All right, so stock Jeep here.
Stock Jeep.
What you guys thought was impressive is about to just be done by Jeep Cherokee.
Stock two-door, one regular 30.
The rare two-door. Steve has the rare. He's got like the cleanest Jeep collection I've ever seen in my life.
And I love them all.
In the classic green. I don't know. I've been thinking about buying one of these things. I don't know.
You can't beat them for the money.
Maybe I should. We'll see. If it makes it up this hill on first try, I'll buy one of these.
Power windows.
Oh yeah, they're pretty sick. I do like these things. My uncle used to have one of these. This was like the digs back in the 90s. Oh crap, I don't know if I moved my truck enough. Watch my truck up there. He's gonna go up here guns blazing. Oh, too easy. Too easy for these machines. I'll say that I think my truck did a little bit better, but his did not struggle much at all. Oh Lord, the dismount. The Send It Steve dismount is a horrifying experience to watch. Oh my God. Look how steep that is. You really get a picture on Steve's iPhone. Look at that, full lock, it doesn't stop it. That's how steep that is. Crazy. Your hood's popped. It is a little tank. It's a freaking Jeep, dude. I mean, that thing is clean as hell. Looks like we just went back in time to the 90s.
I don't even know where to begin at this moment right now. Like, it is absolutely insane to me because I don't usually do anything to make people mad. Controversial topics I usually stay away from. I don't post anything that I don't think could be really anger people. Like, yeah, I get it. I'm not the most entertaining entertainer out there. I get it. I'm not the most fun all the time. A lot of things I do are cool projects in my mind, and I think they're cool and unique, and I try to just be different and be myself, honestly. So when I do things, I try to be different and be myself. I'm gonna post the screenshots right now, and I'll pick right back up. So as you can tell, this person does not want to sell me this vehicle. So I immediately go in defense. And of course, I offered them $500. They said they're gonna take it for scrap value. I think that's $100 more than they would get if they scrapped this thing out. Could they take the wheels off? Could they take the fuel cell out and make some money back? Yes. But like a $500 offer I thought was fair. I thought it was reasonable, and it saves them from even having to leave their house. Like, I would come to them, bring a trailer, load it up, and go. However, as you see, they did not want to sell it to me, which is fine. I got the vehicle, which you'll see right now. The things I have to do. All right, so I unhooked my trailer over here at Carnes. Sean's gonna back up and hook up, and he's gonna go get this thing for me because I gotta be petty, I guess. They won't sell it to me, but I'm gonna own this thing. Well, he's on his way to go get this thing for me. Oh, I'm so like, I don't even want to say I'm annoyed, because like, at the end of the day, it's kind of funny. But truthfully, if these people are watching, comment down below. What is your, like, why wouldn't you sell it to me? Like, I don't understand it. You still couldn't tell me in text messages of why you wouldn't sell it to me. So please explain in the comment section down below. And also let me know what you want me to do with it. Because part of me wants to destroy it. But then once I heard the story that you were saying your kids really enjoyed it and your kids are gonna be upset, and I'm a family guy, that kind of hit me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it now, thanks to you guys. I wish you wouldn't have told him that your kids liked it and you're gonna be upset, because I was gonna destroy it and not give you guys an option. But now you have an option. And after all of this is said and done, I want you and your kids to come up and play at the farm. We'll let him do some mud bogging and all that. I don't even know how old your kids are or anything, but hopefully they're old enough to have some fun. I'll pick back up once we get this thing here. Turkeys. It is here, boys and girls. Huge shout out to Sean Todd for getting this. And the person literally, like, I don't know where I'm gonna go with this. I gotta do some thinking, and I'm gonna give the people the chance to redeem themselves. But as always, huge shout out to Sean Todd for this. I'm gonna comment, like, I'm gonna tell them they can redeem themselves if they'd like. If not, this is gonna be good. Thank you, Sean, I really appreciate it.
It's yours now.
It is mine now, after they said that I would not and could not buy it. Little do they know, we're going to buy it. Yeah, like, I don't like to be this person either. Just so you guys all know, I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to. What you gotta do, what you gotta do. Sean's gotta get to work.
Like I said, it's all set up like round motor and cattle.
Yeah.
Other than things that drive it. There's one on the trunk, but I think he said it's like too short or something like that.
Gotcha. I'm so mad. Like, why couldn't you just be like, I'm gonna send him a picture of you, like, right now. Like, seriously?
Don't be a dick. Don't be a dick.
That nice.
Maybe you can sell them for $1,200.
And now that you see that I own the vehicle, which I'm gonna actually go pick up right now, so it's probably sitting right here in the shop as of right now. When you're seeing this, I own this thing. It might even be stripped down, or it might be fully destroyed by this. At this point, I don't know which direction I'm gonna take it. I want you guys, I don't know why I was standing like that. I want you guys to tell me which direction we should take this thing. Actually, you know what? I will. I'll hold off for it as of right now, because I'm gonna rush out to make this video today. That way these people know that I will buy your project for basically asking price, which is silly on my end. The only reason I said okay with the asking price is because I know that you're gonna watch this video series and I know you're gonna enjoy it, whether you love it or hate it. You're gonna tell your friends that I snuck around and I bought this thing from you. And that's all I'm out here to do. I don't know why. I'm gonna have fun with it. Maybe I'll even build it and give it back to you. I don't freaking know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing, but you ticked me off. You can't tick me off, because guess what? I will get what I want. And I don't even want this thing, so I can't even say that I get what I want. I'm going to get this thing right now as we speak. I'll pick back up with it in the shop. Well, we've got it back here. And again, I don't really understand why they wouldn't sell it to me. The wife seems pretty fair. She seems like she wants to like help me get the title and all that. As you read the comments, there's no title to the vehicle. She wants to see it driving down the road. And I am a family person, so I completely get it. I've had to abandon vehicles before, abandon projects, not get things done, sell things, to move money around, to do some things financially. So I get it. When they said it was a financial thing, the only thing I don't get is why they wouldn't sell it to me, for one. And for two, when Sean went and picked it up, they said that basically they talk crap on me, saying how all I own is crap, which I do, but I made an honest living out of dealing with crap. And I don't know why you're upset that I have crap, because it's not yours. You don't see it, you don't drive it. So what does it really matter to you? But I don't know what we're gonna do with this thing. We'll go a quick little over on it. I just actually noticed right now that there is a bunch of pedals down here. So I don't know if the car was originally a 5-speed, but they converted it to an automatic. There's some gauges in here. I don't know where the 4-wheel drive or anything is on this thing. I really don't know. I don't know if the power windows or anything work. I didn't toss a battery in it because frankly, I did not actually care. Back here, they got a pretty decent setup. It is a fuel cell mounted in here. It's not going anywhere, so that's good. Oil pan. They did say there was a V8 in here before, but by the looks of this pan, it does not look like it was ever run in anything. I don't really even know what they did. Again, I wasn't there when they did this sale. There's some LS header, or stock small block Chevy headers in here. There's some mounting for the motor mounts. There is a drive shaft back here, but they said it was too long or too short. I don't really know. But again, I don't know 100% what I'm going to do with this. I have a ballpark, I have an idea, but I'm going to leave it up to them basically to decide, because frankly, for me, I'd like to build this thing up, get it back to running and driving, and then invite them up here and have some fun with it. But then like the part of me starts to think about it, and it's like, well, not everyone's as nice as you, Steve. Not everyone is a family man like you, Steve. So you should destroy it just to piss them off. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. At this point, am going to just give it a week. I'm going to think about it, sleep on it, and probably move it over here into the corner, get the F450 out, because I want to do the F450 first. But who knows? I don't know where we're going to go with this. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys want me to do with this? Do I utterly destroy it and tear it up, or do I actually build it into something cool and then have this lifted Corvette and the Bruce back? Or I don't know. Did I just say that? Wait, what? Anyway, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I don't really enjoy the Karen stuff, but YouTube does, and it is good for my payroll, and it's good for the dramatic aspect of it, and get you guys gears going. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe. I will see you guys in an upcoming video.